Hey guys, today we're diving into one of the most popular yet misunderstood protein staples in your fridge, cottage cheese. Are you actually fueling up on protein, or unknowingly loading up on hidden carbs and thickeners like modified starch and stabilizers? Today, I'm going to show you how to ditch the additives and make real, artisan-style farmers cheese right in your own kitchen. We're focusing on the whole milk method. It gives us a much more balanced macronutrient profile and a texture that's actually enjoyable. Grab a heavy cotton pot and pour in your milk. We're going to heat this slowly. Slow and steady wins the race. As we approach the simmer, we're adding our secret weapon, plain Greek yogurt. This creates a much softer, pillowy curd. Once you stir in the yogurt, the milk will begin to curdle into beautiful white clouds, separating from the yellowish-green liquid whey. Let it sit for a few minutes, then pour it through a cheesecloth. Just like that, you've got fresh, homemade protein. Milk protein consists of whey and casein. This homemade version is a casein powerhouse, providing a steady stream of amino acids. And don't throw away that leftover liquid whey. It's liquid gold. Toss it into your morning smoothies or use it to cook oatmeal. In the fitness community, this is the holy grail of nighttime snacks. It keeps you full and helps you recover while you sleep, but you don't have to wait. It's a perfect high-protein breakfast topper or a quick afternoon snack to beat that 3 p.m. slump. To take this to the next level, try a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning. If you want some crunch, throw on some crushed walnuts. It turns a simple bowl into a gourmet, nutrient-dense meal. Making your own protein staples is the ultimate way to take control of your health. It's simple, cost-effective, and the taste is superior. Have you ever tried making your own cheese? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe for more hacks, and stay healthy.